Hi everyone, we're here today to talk about the Arkansas Educator Code of Ethics, specifically Standard 2. Standard 2. An educator maintains competence regarding his or her professional practice inclusive of skills, knowledge, dispositions, and responsibilities relating to his or her organizational position. Professional practice. An educator maintains competence regarding professional practice. An educator must have professional knowledge and beliefs when it comes to learning. He or she should be inspirational, energizing, and self-adjusting and adaptable. Professional skills. An educator maintains competence regarding inclusive of professional skills. To be inclusive professionally means that educators understand that all students have the same opportunities. They should all have a meaningful learning experience. He or she should encourage and be supportive of students from different cultures, races, and those that need special education. Educators should be able to effectively communicate with students, other staff, and parents. Also, involve parents in every aspect of their child's learning. Ethical behaviors. An educator maintains competence regarding ethical behaviors. An educator must model effective character traits, including being humble, open-minded, honorable, showing kindness, always being honest, and being firm. They should always model these characteristics in school, in the community, and even in their personal life. Knowledge. An educator maintains competence regarding the knowledge of their area. An educator must stay up to date with current curriculum and new studies regarding their grade level area of teaching. Responsibilities. An educator maintains competence regarding the responsibilities of their teaching role. An educator must keep up with all the responsibilities and tasks that are expected. Although the list is long, teachers seem to pull it all together in a responsible manner. Here's the video link for the Kahoot in our video as well. All right, let's begin our quiz. I will use my name. Let's get started. All right, are you ready to explore Standard 2? Absolutely. Let's go going yes and yes or for sure. We'll go with absolutely. All right. Which area does Standard 2 cover? Hmm. Competence regarding knowledge of area, I think so. Competence regarding dispositions. Competence regarding responsibilities relating to organizational positions. I believe it's all of the above. Even though all the answers were correct, all of the above was most correct. Educators must maintain competence in all areas listed previously and then some. True or false? I believe it's true, and it's just telling us that it is. Great details given. All right, standard 2 is the most important standard out of them all. Now, this is the true or false. I believe it's false. They're all equally important. See how we did? Thank you for joining me for the Arkansas Educator Code of Ethics. It's short and to the point, so I hope you learned a little more detail about this standard. Thank you.